Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is when you realize counterfeiting money is a federal crime. Let's get into the video, man.
It was a joke. Some dude gave her a $100 bill. It's like one of those Chinese ones. She's sick. She probably took it out wrong, but she's not trying to pass counterfeit. It was just a joke.
Can I get a couple IDs? I just need them for my report. So, thank you.
I don't have COVID, but I am sick.
Okay, good. Hey, good to know. Good to know.
I'm looking for it.
727.
You're with these people? You're with these guys? Yeah. Okay, so come here. What's going on?
A joke's being played on me, and it's not really funny.
What's the
I'm
joke?
ill. I went in to go put money on my chime card. It was given a fake $100 bill, and they gave it
Who gave you a fake $100 bill?
my friends.
You're the 20 yet?
I have a California 8 William Charles Mary 129.
I don't want it's.
No, I'm just trying to find the story here. When things are being held back, or let's say deceit and stuff like that, it makes things much more than what they are.
Deceit,
Okay.
it's a,
No.
I'm sick.
But I'm trying to get the whole story. So which one gave it to you? The driver or the
The
passenger?
manager states that they've had to deal with this gentleman before.
Do you guys still have the bill, or does the store have it?
I don't know. It's just a big mistake.
Oh, yeah.
It's ridiculous.
It happens.
I didn't do it though.
Oh no. I was just wondering.
I mean, I don't want her to get in trouble.
Okay.
I just
If you aren't telling me the whole thing, it appears to be something more than it's not. Yeah, I just don't want you to go down that
anybody to
road.
get in trouble.
Okay, I'm not saying anybody is.
Well, then why are the police here? All right, I know.
Because you gave somebody a...
I know,
okay,
right?
That's why. So,
And I didn't have a goddamn clue.
Now we gotta find out. Okay, was this a stupid joke, or my
Well,
God,
it's
they got
really
a printing machine in the back of the car? So
Oh,
let's
right,
okay. So where are we going with
for
this?
the love
Okay,
of
so
Jesus,
so
right.
who gave it to you?
So no, there's not a printing
Okay,
machine.
so which one gave it to you?
I have a
No, that's not fair. Which one gave you the money?
It was just handed to me from the front seat. No, for God's sake. Like,
okay.
I'm ill.
Who are
I
these
didn't
two?
even want-
And where were you sitting?
In the back seat.
Okay, so do you have
Like
any
slumped
money on
over,
you?
sick. Yes.
Okay, how much money do you have on you?
First name,
I don't know how much exactly I have.
Is it in your purse? Or
Yeah.
where you got your money? Okay, how much money have you got in your wallet?
I didn't count it. I can count it.
Okay, why don't you? Why don't you grab it for a second?
what happened?
I have to count everybody.
10-4.
Why don't you come over here?
Yeah. Right.
So how much money did you have there?
Yeah.
How much did you have there?
56.
Okay, 56. Okay, and that's all the money you had.
2517,
Yes.
27.
Okay, and you had a chime card or something?
2517.
Okay,
And I think,
what do you got in there? They're all yours?
yeah, of
Okay.
course.
You sure?
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
All right, let's actually. I'm sick.
Okay,
And
sick
I've
of
been
what?
sick, and I'm not trying to tell you a story or nothing.
No,
So I'm going to show you every thing
No.
that's in here.
No, I don't wanna
Except they're
upset you.
mine. Motherfucker, goddamn.
no, just wait. Just
Melissa.
okay.
Hey, are you the cashier?
Morgan is.
Hey, how's it going? So she just kind of came in and tried to pay with a fake bill. That's just kind of what I'm getting.
They were like all looking in the window, and she handed Morgan the 100, and Morgan like gave it to me, and I was like, it's not real. So then I called you guys. I don't think it was a joke.
Okay. So what do you guys want to see done with this? All three of them trespassed?
Yeah, they've
Okay.
been in here before.
Yeah, we'll get them trespassed, and then I think we have an ordinance for trying to pass a counterfeit bill.
I want to
So,
explain.
anyway.
I want to explain my actions. Okay. I want to
Because you think I'm trying to
Okay. Do I?
do some goddamn
No, Melissa.
want to go back home and go to sick.
Do I know you? No, I don't.
No, you don't.
Okay, so what I'm trying to do is validate your story here, okay? Because believe it or not, some people do lie to me.
I'm sure they do.
Yeah, and
Oh, you want to go home and go back to sleep, huh? You gonna get some sleep, all right? I don't know if it's gonna be home, though. You gonna get some sleep, though. Don't worry, man. The mattress might be nice and thin, man. You know, but we'll see. We'll see what happens.
So what I'm trying to do, you told me a story here, and so now I'm trying to validate your story.
Right.
I'm trying to get honest with you, and I'm trying to help out the situation here. Okay.
Okay, well, those were all mine.
Okay. And fair
Except
enough.
for
So that's
gift
giving you
cards.
validation,
Coupons.
correct? That's giving you validation. Okay. So you guys are in Ellsworth. Why?
My friend rented this car, so they just wanted me to go along with or whatever. I used to live here down the street.
Okay.
I know.
Do they live with you?
No.
Okay. Okay. Where?
No, I've been friends with them for years.
Okay.
For years.
Okay.
And they know I'm gullible, and it's not
Okay.
Ugh.
That's fine. So, what time did they pick you up?
like within the last hour or something like that.
Okay.
Right?
And then where did you guys go?
Here, to Ellsworth, from River Falls.
Is this the only place you stopped at?
No, we stopped somewhere the gas station, Holiday.
So you guys went to Holiday.
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys stopped at Holiday.
Yeah.
What, you just stay in the car? Did you guys get gas? I
There
mean,
was some guy, I don't know his name, Joe or something like that.
what about Joe?
Was at the gas station.
Oh, you guys know him?
I don't.
Oh, did you guys meet him there or something?
He was there already.
So they were supposed to meet him or something?
I don't know.
Okay. How long you guys were
Cops
there?
doing a good
10
job
minutes or
though,
something like that.
getting her to talk.
So then you guys came
And I'm
straight
like,
down here
I have
afterwards?
to, yes, the beginning.
So you guys didn't do no business at Holiday? You just met with Joe?
I don't know. Probably one of them went inside, I think.
Okay. But you didn't? You just stayed in the car?
No, I stayed in the car.
All right. So then you guys came down here. Why'd you guys come down here?
I had to put money on so we could do the car rental again, and then get a brush.
And then where were you guys going to go?
I was gonna go back home.
And they're using your card to for the rental car?
Yeah.
Is the car in your name or theirs?
Yeah.
It's in your name?
Yeah.
Okay, when did you get the car?
2 days ago.
And then they're supposed to be drivers? Did you set that up with, because who'd you rent it through? Enterprise? And they're listed as drivers?
I don't even know. I
Or
no,
are you
I don't know.
registered as
Like if I can have I've been sick for like. I should have went to the doctor by today because I'm not.
Well, do you got the paperwork for it?
It should be in the car probably.
Okay. Otherwise
I have it on an email and.
Oh yeah, just pop that up.
Okay.
That'd be great.
Oh.
So they're not even valid to be driving. Then,
Okay, then
2708.
Okay, and you're valid?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
I just haven't. I
wise.
don't feel good, so I'd rather be sleeping in the back seat.
All right, your story makes sense to me. Okay, and so now I just want to make
I'm
sure.
glad it is because I'm not
Okay,
feeling.
and now I just want to make sure we're all on the same page with them. When you're in the back
they're
seat, which
using
one
you.
handed it to you? I'm not saying that's illegal. They could have handed you a Monopoly bill.
That'd be.
You know what I mean?
And
That's
I
not
probably
fun.
wouldn't even known then.
Okay, all right. So
It's not funny, but-
one handed it to you?
I don't.
Because I just wanted to
Right,
make
I
sure
was
we're on the
laying
same
down in the freaking back, so
page. Okay, why did they want to give you money? I guess.
because we're all renting the car together, like we're just having a girls' weekend.
All right, when did you find out that it's not real?
When the freaking lady said it's not real, and they went on the phone.
Okay. All right.
We tried to call her.
What's that?
We tried to call her.
Who's her?
Melissa.
Okay. Well, who gave her the money?
Some dude, I don't know what his name was.
No, when you guys gave it to her.
No, he didn't.
Come here, Melissa. She was sitting in the back seat. One of you guys handed her the $100 bill. Is that
No
right?
one handed her the $100 bill.
She just told me.
Why are you?
So I didn't say anybody fucking did. I
No.
said I was laying down in the back seat in the fucking whatever. Yeah, because I don't fucking know I'm sick, and
Nobody
I said
handed
everybody
her
needs
that
to
money.
leave me the alone.
No, she said she was sitting in the back seat here, and you
Honey,
guys just handed her the money.
At the Holiday. I don't know whatever. So.
She was sitting in the back seat of the car, correct? Melissa, were you sitting in the back seat
Just
of the
Yes,
car?
I was sitting in the
All right.
back seat, and that's about.
Did she, just wait, did she go into Holiday?
No.
Okay, so she stayed sitting in the back seat of this car.
Yeah.
Okay, she was handed, correct me wrong, you were
I don't know who-
handed a $100 bill. when
Why don't you just tell me
wait though.
Shane gave you that $100 bill?
Just wait though.
Quit
You were
protecting him.
sitting in the back seat of this car, and someone
We're
handed
not
you a
gonna do
$100
this.
bill.
Right, and
correct?
I don't- right,
Okay.
and I don't know
So who's been in the front seat of this car?
I've been right here. She went in to get cigarettes. That's all we got at Holiday. And she's trying to protect the dude that gave her the money.
No, she said that she's in this car, and you guys handed her the $100 bill.
anyone anything.
So what happened, Melissa?
Like I said, I've been sick for several days, and I'm.
I ain't gonna lie, I like this cop. I fuck with him. I like his style. I like his style, boy. I like his style, boy. Turn them all against each other. Forget it. Okay. Turn them against each other. Oh, didn't you tell me you were sitting in the back seat of the car and one of these guys, so which one handed it? I like his style, boy. I like him. I like his style, boy. That boy been calm, cool, collected, getting her to open up and talk. My boy is a seasoned vet, boy.
I understand that. Okay, neither one of you guys can operate this vehicle, so you know.
Does understand that.
It's a violation. It's a violation of her rental
need to be
agreement.
the driver.
Yeah, you guys cannot operate this
that's
vehicle.
fine.
But anyways, what store were we at? Because I just want to make sure we're on the same story here. So Melissa, just be straight up with me here now. Did you lie to me?
I didn't lie to you. I don't know who the gave me the money.
Why are you gonna blame it on us when?
No, I didn't blame it. I didn't say.
Well, he's saying that you said that.
I'm half asleep.
You didn't tell me that someone handed it to you.
I said I was half asleep in the back seat.
And you were handed it to you.
That's about, and I didn't know who handed it to me.
Well, there's only 2 people in this car. Who else has been in this car, Melissa?
Shane.
Shane's been in the car.
When was Shane into this car?
Earlier.
When was earlier? You told me that when they came down here, they handed you the $100 bill to go in there to run into Chime.
You said it Holiday.
No,
you said it Holiday.
She said you guys came from Holiday. You guys came from the gas station up there, correct? Did you guys go up to that gas station?
Yes, I bought cigarettes up there.
Yep. And then you guys came down here to put money on her card for the rental car. Is that correct?
I went in and used the bathroom down here.
Okay.
She had money.
Where did she get the money from?
I don't know.
Okay, so she's saying that you came down here and someone from the front seat handed her a $100 bill and she went in there to go put on her
And
time
again,
card.
I went in a store. Twice. I was out of the car. None
No.
of that even makes sense because you said first you said down here,
And then
you
said Holiday.
I got out of the car both times.
But no one else got in.
Shane was in the car earlier.
Shane was in the car earlier.
not-
That's
not
where
in
she got
Ellsworth,
the $100. Everybody knows that Shane had these fake $100 bills.
Did you guys meet somebody up at the gas station?
No. Okay.
I thought you said you met somebody up at the gas station.
What? Now you what?
Oh my God. And I also said,
What was that, a Joel?
let me write it down, sign it and everything. I don't feel good.
Yep.
At all. Like I've been saying that for the last couple of days. I didn't even want to leave Turning Points because I'm sick. I
Did you
don't
say-
feel good.
did
I'm
you say
not
a
of
Joel?
sound mind.
Did you say a Joe?
Yup.
Okay, so Joe? Did you guys meet Joe up at the gas station?
Do you guys remember when I had to go to the emergency room and fell the out? That's like how I'm feeling right now.
You know what? The best thing you can do is tell them about Shane, okay? About the $100 bills, and then I don't know what else. Just be quiet.
Are these bills that Joe or Shane has? Are they counterfeit or what?
No, they're Chinese bills that were made. They don't even look. They're not even counterfeit. Absolutely not. They're Chinese bills that you get them.
All right, and Shane gave her one of the.
Yeah, but the thing is that they all are in on it. They all know about the Shane and the fake Chinese bills and that cop. I fuck with him, man. His style. Yeah. Just get them to turn on each other. And now everybody, okay, we see what's going on. Okay, somebody else who got fake money, able to give y'all something. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, he connected the dots. She talk about I've been sick, whatever. Boop. We don't care about none of that. These 2 girls is taking advantage of her, but they all in on this counterfeit plan though, for sure.
These bills?
He gave everybody, tons of people those bills.
Why? Are they just play?
Yes.
Okay. You got that bill?
Then
Look at it.
Look at the color of it.
Like this?
Yes.
Okay. So Shane gave this to everybody.
I mean, however many he had, he was giving them in town.
When was this?
Earlier, dude, but listen.
Like earlier today?
I don't know how many he gave yesterday or the day before or the day before that. Okay, but everybody knows Shane got them. He gave them to a couple people. But look at it.
Okay, was Shane around us today?
Yes.
Yeah,
When was Shane around us?
Earlier.
Like, what's earlier? And where was this? Where was this at?
Look, I didn't go in there and pass any $100 bill. I didn't give her any $100 bill. I don't know. All I know is that she should have never went in there and
So
nobody should have ever.
Okay, Melissa says that you guys
I
can't.
don't care what Melissa says.
Well, this is Melissa, right?
Yes, I
Okay,
don't.
so Melissa says that she was at Turning Point. You guys picked her up. You guys came straight to Ellsworth. You saying that's not true?
I'm saying I didn't do anything.
Okay, no, but
You're trying to put words in my mouth.
no, I'm saying Melissa's words. So she's saying
Melissa,
that.
I've been telling you from square one, I don't feel good. Like I didn't want to leave my house. I don't feel good. I need to rest.
How's
Why
that?
isn't it play money?
What?
Why isn't it play money?
Why isn't this play money?
Yes.
It is play money.
Okay, so I don't know what the problem is. She didn't.
Well, she's trying to pass this as real money.
No, she
I sure the
was.
was not trying to, sir.
Who'd you give this to?
To the cash register because I had no clue.
And what'd you say? When you gave this to her, what'd you say?
No, I didn't take it.
Nothing?
So you knew this was play money?
Had no clue, is what I'm telling you.
Okay, you didn't have no clue if this was
Had
real?
no clue.
And you handed this to
I'm not feeling well.
Okay, you handed this to the teller and you said what?
Look at it.
Not a goddamn word.
Why'd you hand this to the teller?
Because I had no clue what the I was handing them.
Did you want something for it?
Sure.
What'd you want?
Somebody to say, oh, it's fake, sorry.
Okay,
I mean, instead of, you know what I mean?
I thought you wanted this put on your chime card.
I wanted money put on my chime card.
How much?
$72.
Okay.
I
Were
guess.
you aware that
I had no clue.
when Shane gave it to you that it was counterfeit?
I had no clue.
What do you want? You want arrested?
If you're gonna do that, I swear to God, take me to the hospital first and everybody for taking me out the mother out. Dude, I said I'm
Did they say how much? Oh, go talk. So the white gal came in.
Yeah.
And said what?
She didn't really say anything. She just asked to put $72 on her chime card and then went to pay with the fake 100. I looked at it and it felt weird, so I looked at up for the watermark and it wasn't there. She was kind of freaking out a little bit. She didn't realize it was fake.
Right now you guys are out how much? 8207?
Yeah.
Okay.
Her whole defense is that she's ill and she didn't know, but both of them other girls in there said they knew prior to coming here that those were fake bills. The driver said it was a joke.
So right now the Family Dollar's out the $82.
It's not on my card.
Huh?
It's not put on my card.
Yep, they're out the money.
Well, let me see. The cash
So can you
register.
pull your card up and show how much money is on there?
Yeah, let's do that. It's on there. Oh,
Yep, $72, so it's already put on there. So we don't have money to put on
I
there.
can call and I can cancel and do all kinds of shit.
So you got the keys for the car?
Oh, fuck it.
All right. So why don't you step out here for a second?
No, my
So
fucking
at this
card.
point, I'm placing under.
Are you for
Yep.
real? God?
Yep.
No.
Let's-
No.
Let's lock up your car.
No.
Let's lock
no.
up your car and I'll give you
What?
the
I
keys.
didn't
Stop.
take my phone, please. God damn
And
it.
I'll roll your window.
How the would I know, you guys? Hey, dude, are you serious?
Both your
No fucking way.
Pick better
both your
friends.
friends admitted that they knew it was fake.
I didn't show them nigger bitches for fucking doing that to me. I'm fucking sick, dude.
Yep,
right.
over this way, Melissa.
That window needs to be rolled up and this car needs to be locked.
Yep, there is. Car's locked.
That window's all the way down.
This one?
The other one. The
The
other
other
one.
side?
Yeah.
Nope, we'll take a look.
Let's go.
Let's walk over there and we'll take a look. This is shut. This is locked. This is locked. Oh, all the windows are locked, okay?
What, you mother...
No, come on.
No, come on.
Come on.
In the car.
I didn't have a clue. I'm sick, you motherfuckers.
All right, have a seat. Do you want her to have a seat or what?
No, I'm
Okay,
on my
yeah.
period and I'm leaking blood. No, I don't want to sit down. I can feel my
Well, there's
period.
nothing else we can do.
Well, what do you mean there's nothing else?
Well,
do I need to go to the
we can't walk up to the. They'll be able to help you when you get up there. Just have a seat, okay? Just have a seat in the car. Melissa, have a seat. Okay, have a seat.
What?
Just have a seat.
I'll get Shane to bail you out.
How?
Melissa, have a seat.
Huh?
Just
Come on, in
Melissa,
the car.
have a seat.
We're gonna
Melissa,
get you out. I
have a
know.
seat. Have a seat.
227.
Just sit sideways if you need to.
Look, we've all been there. You're sick with a runny nose, and the next thing you know, you're coughing up fake $100 bills. And very clever work by the patrol officer who really got the
Yeah, he did his thing, man. He did his thing, man. Yo, that cop. That cop did his thing, man. I can't even lie. I can't
Watch when
lie.
I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.